Okay, look at the next question. So here we know the standard form of the heat equation, right? What is the standard form of the heat equation? Which is dou u. So dou u by dou t, that is equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 32 ಇಂಟು ಡೋ ಯು ಬೈ ಡೋ ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೋ ಯು ಬೈ ಡೋ ಟಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/32 ಇಂಟು ಡೋ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯು ಬೈ ಡೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ, so what is c square? We got the value of c square, and here the first column is 0, last column is the value of t, the corresponding t. Find the values of u up to t equals to 5. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು u ಮತ್ತೆ t ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇವಾಗ h ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. What is h? Which is 1/4. We don't have k value, so what you have to do, assume alpha equals to 1/2 and calculate k value. So what is alpha here? It is kc square by h square. Alpha is 1/2. So k equals to what? K, we have to calculate that. C square is what? 1/4. What is c square? 1/32. And what is h square? 1/4 square, you know? 1/16, right? So 1/2, that is into k into, we have 1/32. This 1/16 will go to numerator. 16 ones are 16 twos are. And we can calculate this 1/2 also. What is k?
1.
K is 1. So we got the value of h as well as k, alva. So let us write the values of, let us write the two-way table. X value nodi.
0.
Look at the boundary condition. It is 0 to 1. And what is the h value? 1/4. So what are the values of x here? 0,
1/4,
1/4,
1/2,
2/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/2, 3/4, 4/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, up to 1. ಹಾಗೆ t value observe ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? is t value is what? It is up to t equals to 5 we have to calculate, and in the initial condition you can see that t value starts with 0, and k value is what? It is 1. So 0 to 5 with the step size 1 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the boundary condition. Here u of x comma 0 equal to 0. The first column is 0. Look at the another initial condition, boundary condition. U of 1 comma t equal to t. Initial condition ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? It is, where is the initial condition? U of x comma 0 equal to 0. Wow. The first row is what? 0. Very good. U of x comma 0 simple ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Right. Now what next? We have to calculate this formula. What is alpha here?
1/2.
Alpha is 1/2. 1/2 ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನು? In order to calculate this value, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You will consider this value and this value. You will just calculate the average of these two values. Because here this is alpha, this is alpha, you have to multiply alpha, and you have to multiply this by 1 minus 2 alpha. So if alpha is 1/2, it is 0. Here it is 1/2. Here it is 1/2. So multiply 1/2 here, multiply 1/2 here, and add them is nothing but the taking average of these two blocks. Right? Yeah. So how can you calculate these two values? 0 plus 0 divided by 2. 0. And 0 plus 0 divided by 2. 0. 0 plus 0 divided by 2. 0. Next, ilig bandre? Again it is 0, 0,
1.
and 0 plus 1 divided by 2. 0 plus idu 0, idu 0. No, it's 0 baralla. 0 plus 0.5 divided by 2. 0.25. And 0 plus 2 divided by 2. Next, 0 plus 0.25 divided by 2. 0 plus 1 divided by 2. 0 plus 0.25 plus 3 divided by 2. And 0 plus 0.5 divided by 2. 0.5. And 0.1250 plus 1.625 divided by 2. 0.8750. 0.5 plus 4 divided by 2.